Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to run Python in Visual Studio Code. Running Python in VS Code transforms it from a simple text editor into a powerful and highly customizable development environment. We'll go through the entire process step by step, from downloading and installing Visual Studio Code and Python, and then setting everything up and running our first Python program. So, let's get started. First, open your browser. We will start downloading VS Code, so search for it on Google. Then click on the official Visual Studio Code website link. Once the website loads, click the Download for Windows button, and it will start downloading the VS Code installer file. Next, we need to download Python. Search for Python on Google, then click on the first result of Python official website python.org. When Python website load, go to the download section, and here we will download the standalone version. Click on Python 3.14.6. This is the latest version available at the time of recording this video. Now both tools are downloading, so let them finish downloading. Alright, after both files have been downloaded, go to your downloads folder. First, run the Python installer and install Python on your computer. When the Python setup window appears, check the box Use admin privileges when installing Python, and also check Add Python.exe to path. After selecting both options, click Customize Installation. Make sure all optional features are checked, then click Next. In the Advanced Options screen, check the first box that says Install Python for all users. Leave the default installation location unchanged and click Install. Python will now start installing on your system, so we need to wait for the installation to complete. Alright, after Python is installed, let's install VS Code. Run the VS Code installer file. When the VS Code setup window appears, select I accept the agreement and click Next. Then click Next again and continue clicking. Next, here, check the box Create a desktop icon, then click Next, then click Install. Now we have to wait while VS Code installs on your system. Alright, after VS Code is installed, click Finish, and it will automatically launch VS Code. When VS Code opens, go to the Extensions tab on the left-hand side and search for Python. We need to install the Python extension, so click the Install button. Wait a few seconds for the extension to be installed. Alright, after that, let's install the CodeRunner extension. Search for CodeRunner and install this extension as well. Once both extensions are installed, let's run our first Python program. Click Open Folder and create a folder for your Python project. Then click Select Folder. Now that you are inside the folder, create a new Python file. We will write a simple print command and run it. Next, right-click on the Python file, and you will see the Run Code option at the top. Click on it, and the program will run. As you can see, in the output window, it prints the name of my channel. If this video helped you run a Python project in VS Code, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.